Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix this correction is not private on iPhone and iPad. So let's start the video. So friends, to fix this problem, first go back to the home screen and open up the settings application on your iPhone. On the settings application, scroll down and tap general. On the general menu, scroll down and tap VPN and device management. Tap VPN. Here make sure that your iPhone is not connected to a VPN. If it is connected, disconnect it. Now go back to the general page and tap on date and time. Make sure your time zone is correct here. If the time zone is not correct, enter your correct time zone here. After that, set your date and time manually or enable set automatically.